Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Shortcuts and confirming iCloud sync so your work saves across devices. Tap the plus to create a new shortcut and name it so you recognize it later. Next, add a first action, for example, open app or get current location, because a simple trigger proves the concept quickly. Once done, test the shortcut by tapping the play icon. Make sure it runs and returns the expected result before moving on to build complexity. Now you layer in logic. Use if, repeat, and wait to control flow so your shortcut adapts to conditions. You should pass data with set variable and get variable so actions can share results. This prevents duplication and keeps things tidy. Then attach triggers time of day, arriving somewhere, or an NFC tag so the shortcut runs automatically. Make sure to test each branch, because conditional paths often reveal missing steps that only appear under certain inputs. Finish by polishing. Add an icon, color, and a Siri phrase so you access the shortcut hands-free. Once polished, export or share with an iCloud link and double-check permissions for location, contacts, or health data. These often block actions. If something breaks, enable show when run and insert simple logging steps or notifications to pinpoint where it stops. Finally, retest after each change. Small, incremental fixes prevent regressions and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.